A one, a two, you know what to do.
Right now, I'm in the process of doing the coolest thing ever. Get Chip's bag. I'm going to shrink it.
There's a boy that I loved walking down the corner of 8th Street West. I've never seen him around these parts of town before. Oh no. He's the one with the golden hair flowing in the wind. He's the one who's got the smile at my life.
See what happens.
He's the one with the dazzling eyes and perfect body. No, the other one. He's the one who stole my heart. He's the one who ran away. He's the one who's coming over here, God, not today. He's the one.
That was bad.
I'll just laugh and say I'm fine, but kinda lonely. Ha 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 ha. And your girlfriend's really cute, but kinda fat. I'll laugh so he won't hear me